Imagine unlocking the door to a life filled with joy, success, and inner peace. It's just one decision away. To reach this extraordinary life, you need to get rid of 5 toxic elements that hold you back. Negative self-talk. The biggest obstacle is often your own mind. Stop the constant stream of self-doubt and replace it with affirmations that lift you up. Remember, you are what you believe. Toxic relationships. Surround yourself with people who inspire and support you. Cut ties with those who bring negativity and drain your energy. Your environment shapes your reality. Procrastination. Time is your most valuable asset. Stop delaying your dreams and take action now. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Fear of failure. Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone to success. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Fear only paralyzes your potential. Comfort zone. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Challenge yourself. Take risks and embrace the unknown. The magic of life lies beyond the boundaries of familiarity. Start today. Remove these 5 things from your life and unlock the door to your true potential. Your future self will thank you for it.